We see how it goes. And this is our minimum risk. We wanted to try to achieve even to get this position higher towards the higher demand, the higher supply, creating basically 3 times of a 4 times of a gain while we at it. Our risk factor is always 1 to 2 at minimum if we're day trading. If we're doing swing trading, it should be higher than this. So with a 5 minutes interval, we still can see how the price, we'll see how we had an institutional buyer over here launching the price up. We're gonna cancel this price, and we're gonna understand that over here, this position, we see how the price is launching up with the institutional buyer, maybe possibly wants to also get back into this pool and flip back in reverse, or checking this pool and flip back in reverse, or checking this pool and flip back in reverse, etc., etc. So we chose to take this position when in the morning we placed a limit order over here, what was the low value area of the previous of this day profile, and now we see how the price fluctuated and thinks about what to do, if to enter this pool or not. Of course, if it runs us over, it's perfectly fine. We have certain about what we're doing. We don't have to get scared about where the price is gonna hit. As I mentioned many times before, the price can always flip and reverse. That's okay, as long as you understand the story. And the idea is for you to launch your command and getting out from the market and manage your risk accordingly. A good command being launched is not gonna glue you to the screen. You can launch it and you can continue with your day, either your day of work, or you want to go to the beach or do any other thing. This is how you trade. So of course, we already covered a couple positions for the day within the Discord group. We're going to continue to cover this position. We see the outcome of this position and where we can extend it to. Of course, there will be more position within the Discord group. So if you're not part of this group and the survey, join the survey. It's a completely free education. We also have premium membership and VIP for those of you who want to extend the knowledge. And for those of you who took the courses with us, we have a very strong trading community. So of course, you're welcome to take the courses as well and enrich your knowledge. It's very much affordable. And of course, there's many discounts on the website if you visit it. So I want to wish you a successful trading day. Of course, I'm going to see you in the next market overview. And as usual, be in mind, be intact that you are a risk manager, and you have to trade. You have to evaluate your risks accordingly. Everybody should and would handle the risk as they've seen. But a good trade, as I said many times before, is the one is not going to keep you glued to the screen. At the end of the day, you have to look at it as your business and evaluate the risk properly. I want to wish you, again, successful trading day and a happy weekend, and I'll see you on the next market overview.